How to create an AR portal using LiveOrbis. Hi, this video is to show you how easy it is to use LiveOrbis, the web-based self-create augmented reality technology. LiveOrbis is the easiest way for businesses to engage with their customers using AR, linking content created through the dashboard direct to portable devices using the LiveOrbis app. Today we are going to create an AR portal complete with entrance logo animation, geolocation, search function, and social feed links. But before we begin, it's important that you know some of the keys to getting an experience to load correctly. Image dimensions and orientation. Your image must be an equirectangular projected image 2:1 ratio, 496 pixels wide by 2048 pixels high. Your doorway entrance animation must be 1920 pixels wide and 1080 pixels high. These are both standard formats. File size. Your image must be greater than 6 megabytes and less than 20 megabytes in size. Your doorway entrance animation must be less than 10 meg in size. File type. Your image must be a JPEG file. Your doorway entrance animation must be a MP4 file type only. Size is important because we want the customer to have a great user experience while not overloading data usage at the same time. Keep this note. The important thing to remember is that while it may seem the AR experience is life size, it's actually only dependent on the size of the device screen that you are viewing through. This is why we can keep the file size down and still get a great experience for our customers. Now let's get started.
Step 1.
Whether you're a new user or an experienced one, the merchant login page uses two-step authentication to protect you. Be patient while the 5-digit code is sent via email. Then log in. Once you have signed in, you'll find the merchant dashboard. There are some useful tools in the dashboard that help you navigate what your experiences have been doing, such as the total number of experiences, the analytics tool, the message function, and your account usage. From this information, you can determine what experiences are used more frequently than others, and this may help you to decide what your customer is looking for to help improve their user experience and engagement with your products.
Step 2.
There are a few things that you need to make sure that you get right before you begin. 1. Your social feeds. Ensure they are complete. These can be updated under the Profile tab at the top of the page. It's important that you get these right because it will save you a lot of time in the future. 2. Find the geolocation for the experience. Please ensure that your experience is as accurately located as possible. If you would like to add a custom watermark for any in-photo photographs, these are used for social sharing your content through LiveOrbis, then the logo must be 100 pixels by 100 pixels in size, no larger, no smaller, and it must be either .jpg or .png file formats. Now let's get started.
Step 3.
We're going to walk through the steps to create this new AR experience. Choose the experience type, AR portal. The experience name, this is a place that I recently visited and I wanted people to see what's available for them. If I have an event coming up, I want the title to suit the event. Category. The The purpose of this section is to give people a very simple way to filter between experiences as they use the LiveOrbis app. You can choose up to 3 different categories by holding the command button while you select the category. Getting this accurate is the key. Customers want accurate content. Portal image. You can load up to 5 different portal images at a time, which can cycle through while a customer is viewing the portal. Today, we are just choosing one image. Portal swap interval. When you have multiple images here, I like allowing at least 15 seconds for each image. Any shorter than this, and the customer may feel rushed and could get a bad impression. We don't want this to happen. Always test your experience after you've loaded it to make sure the interval is correct. Portal entrance doormat. This is the best piece of advertising real estate you can have prior to a customer walking into your AR portal. If you have a logo animation, this is where you want it to be positioned. Door options. This is the frame of your doorway. Normally, you would have a frame that offers a contrast of what the experience is that your customer is about to walk into. For example, snow would be a dark doorway and rainforest would be a light doorway. You can change this later if you want. Plank options. When a customer walks through the doorway, this is the plank that the customer will walk onto. Again, choose a plank that suits your needs. We have grass, sand, semi-transparent, as well as other textures to choose from. You can also change this later if you want. Tag. Tags. This is important to add a number of tags so that customers can easily find your experience using the LiveOrbis search functions. Separate these tags with a comma. Try and base your tag upon the unique characteristics that your AR portal has that are different to others. A company name, location, scene, code, or something of that nature can set your experience apart from others. Hit the Save and Next button. The content you've just entered will load.
Step 4.
We're going to walk through the steps to create this new experience. The most important thing here is getting your digital latitude and digital longitude as accurate as possible. You cannot have more than one portal with exactly the same geolocation. You can do this by either zoom, drag and drop your pin in the location and the digital latitude and longitude will automatically populate, or you can search for this using a program like Google Maps, which will show you the geolocation coordinates. Once you have the coordinates, you can choose to have the experience appear on the map as either the merchant image or the experience icon. I always choose the experience icon so it gives the customer an idea of what they will be viewing. You can decide to use geo range or not. This function will geofence your AR experience so that users can only view the experience if they are within a certain distance from your experience geolocation. This is really handy for site-based marker and markerless experiences. Or as an example of how this can be used with an AR portal, if you want to promote an experience at a trade show, then you could geofence the trade show and users will only get to visit your experience while they attend the trade show. Define the range in meters. The minimum accuracy is about 50 meters. Click the Save and Next button.
Step 5.
It is a good idea to provide a unique caption for the experience. In this space, you can do this. If you have any unique experience-based social content, it can be entered now. Otherwise, your default settings from your profile will be added here automatically. Once you are happy with what you have entered, click the Save and Next button.
Step 6.
We're just about there now. On this page, you can choose to allow people more control over the experience that you have just created, such as capture enabled means that customers can use this image capture function within the LiveOrbis app to take a snap while in your experience. Allow sharing means the customer can share the captured photograph using the LiveOrbis social sharing tool. They can then use this to send to friends and family. Scale enabled means that a customer can rescale an object that is being viewed within the LiveOrbis app. This is not that relevant to the AR portal experience. Move enabled means that a customer can move the location of the object that is being viewed within the LiveOrbis app. This is also not that relevant to the AR portal experience. Camera watermark settings is used to put the business logo on the screen capture so that when the customer shared the captured image, it's your business logo that's being shared also. The size of this logo must be 100 pixels by 100 pixels and be either .jpg or .png formats. A hint, if you have a .png format, make sure the background is transparent and it will make the image capture look so much better. Once you're happy, press the submit button and your experience will go live.
Now, let's go and see what the final product looks like. Good luck with your creations using LiveOrbis.
Your world is your Orbis. LiveOrbis on the App Store.